In the vast, uncharted expanses of space, the James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful tool humanity has ever built for peering into the cosmos, has recently made a discovery that has left scientists, astronomers, and dreamers across the globe astonished. The universe has long been regarded as a realm of profound enigma. However, this recent observation has prompted a re-examination of a question that has persisted for centuries. The question of whether we are alone in the universe has been a topic of interest for centuries. The notion of extraterrestrial life, heretofore the province of science fiction, may soon be substantiated by empirical evidence. The luminosity observed emanating from Proxima Centauri b, an exoplanet in orbit around the nearest star to our solar system, is distinct from any previously documented phenomenon. These lights are not merely sporadic flashes. Rather, they evince a striking resemblance to the patterns of urban illumination observed on Earth. The question thus arises as to how this phenomenon could occur. It is therefore pertinent to inquire whether we are indeed observing a civilization that is sufficiently advanced to leave its mark in the night sky from a distance of trillions of miles. As our world grapples with the implications of this monumental discovery, the James Webb Space Telescope continues to expand the boundaries of our knowledge. Until now, our efforts have been primarily focused on identifying planets with conditions that are similar to those on Earth. We have searched for water, oxygen, and chemical signatures that might indicate the presence of life. However, the telescope has observed phenomena on Proxima Centauri b that challenge our understanding of both astronomy and the potential for extraterrestrial life. Proxima Centauri b is an exoplanet that orbits the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri, which is situated at a distance of approximately 4 light-years from Earth. This distance is difficult to conceptualize, yet it is noteworthy that Proxima Centauri is relatively nearby when viewed from a cosmic perspective. It has long been considered a candidate for habitability due to its location in the so-called Goldilocks zone, which is the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist. However, while scientists have been searching for the conventional indications of life, such as the presence of water, oxygen, and the fundamental building blocks of life as we know it, they have instead identified signatures that point to a phenomenon of an entirely different nature. In lieu of concentrating exclusively on the intrinsic processes that regulate planetary systems, we are now compelled to contemplate the potential existence of intelligent life on Proxima Centauri b. It is possible that the life forms in question have reached a level of advancement that allows them to produce artificial light, similar to the bustling cities on Earth. The luminosity observed emanating from Proxima Centauri b does not align with the characteristics typically associated with natural stellar or planetary atmospheric phenomena. Instead, these lights appear to flicker in a manner suggestive of a more structured phenomenon, exhibiting patterns that bear a striking resemblance to the glow emitted by artificial city lights on Earth when subjected to analysis. This raises the tantalizing possibility that we may be witnessing the existence of a distant civilization, one that, like us, has developed cities, technology, and perhaps even its own ambitions to explore the stars. For millennia, humanity has contemplated the vast expanse of the night sky, pondering the possibility of extraterrestrial life. The concept of extraterrestrial life has inspired a vast array of speculative hypotheses, encompassing a spectrum of possibilities from benevolent, communicative civilizations to malevolent, aggressive forces. We have conceived of distant planetary systems teeming with life, and we have contemplated the possibility that, in the vast expanse of the cosmos, we are utterly alone. The recent discovery of these enigmatic lights has brought us closer than ever to answering this question. The question thus arises as to whether we are truly on the brink of discovering another intelligent species. What form of social organization might they have established? Furthermore, it is imperative to consider the implications of this discovery for humanity. The implications of this discovery are profound and warrant further investigation. If the observed lights are indeed the product of an advanced civilization, it would represent the most significant discovery in human history. For the first time, evidence would be available to suggest that intelligent life exists beyond Earth. This in turn gives rise to a number of additional questions. It is yet unclear how long these beings have been present in this location. What is the level of their technological advancement? It is also possible that they are already aware of our existence. Moreover, should such an encounter occur, what might be the intentions of the extraterrestrial beings? These are the kinds of questions that scientists, ethicists, and leaders around the world will need to address in the coming years. However, before proceeding further, it is essential to first examine the nature of this discovery. The lights themselves, as detected by the James Webb Space Telescope, are faint and scattered across the surface of Proxima Centauri b. At first glance, they could be dismissed as a natural phenomenon. It must be acknowledged that space is replete with enigmas, and not every luminescence is indicative of intelligent life. However, as scientists delve deeper into the data, it becomes increasingly challenging to dismiss these lights as mere natural phenomena. Their periodicity, intensity, and alignment with specific surface features suggest the presence of an artificial origin. Proxima Centauri b is not a typical exoplanet. In contrast to the majority of rocky planets that have been identified, this particular planet does not merely reflect the light of its star in a uniform and predictable manner. Instead, the light emitted by the planet exhibits irregular flashes and bursts that appear to originate from specific regions, reminiscent of the nocturnal glow observed on Earth, which is caused by the illumination of urban centers. It is therefore plausible that these lights are the result of an intelligent species that has mastered the art of harnessing energy and illuminating its world. This is an intriguing hypothesis, but it requires further investigation. The James Webb Space Telescope's capacity to detect faint infrared radiation has been instrumental in this discovery. The telescope's highly sensitive instruments enable the detection of the faintest glimmers of light from distant planets, making it an invaluable tool for the study of exoplanets such as Proxima Centauri b. By monitoring the planet over extended periods, the telescope has identified patterns in the light, indicating the presence of phenomena that extend beyond mere random bursts of energy. If these lights are, in fact, artificial, it would imply the presence of an advanced civilization with the capacity to construct urban settlements, generate power, and potentially even communicate across vast distances. This leads to the question of what kind of civilization could exist on Proxima Centauri b. The planet itself presents a challenging environment. The planet orbits its star at a much closer distance than Earth does from the Sun, which results in its continuous exposure to solar radiation. Additionally, the planet is tidally locked, with one side perpetually facing the star and the other perpetually in darkness. This results in significant temperature fluctuations between the two sides, posing a challenge for the survival of life as we know it. However, if an advanced civilization has evolved there, it is plausible that they have developed adaptations to thrive in these harsh conditions. One potential explanation is that the lights are concentrated along the terminator line, which represents the boundary between the planet's day and night sides. This region would provide a relatively stable environment, with temperatures that are neither excessively hot nor excessively cold. If the lights are, in fact, emanating from this region, it could indicate that the civilization has constructed its cities along this line, capitalizing on the distinctive conditions to create habitable zones. An additional hypothesis is that the lights are produced by some form of sophisticated technology, potentially including large-scale solar panels that collect energy from the star or massive industrial complexes designed to harness the planet's natural resources. The source of the lights is irrelevant. Their mere existence forces us to rethink our place in the universe. For centuries, it has been assumed that Earth is unique in its capacity to support intelligent life. This assumption is now being challenged by the discovery of Proxima Centauri b, which may indicate that intelligent life is not a rare occurrence, but rather a common phenomenon throughout the cosmos. This would have profound implications for how we view ourselves and our future. The discovery of these lights also gives rise to significant ethical considerations. In the event that intelligent life has been identified on Proxima Centauri b, it would be prudent to consider the possibility of attempting to establish communication. What form should the message take? And how might we communicate with beings that may have evolved in an entirely distinct environment? It is unclear whether the extraterrestrial beings would be friendly or perceive us as a threat. These are challenging questions, and there is no straightforward answer. One thing, however, is certain. The The discovery of intelligent life beyond Earth would have a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Such a discovery would compel us to reckon with our place in the universe and our responsibilities as a species. As we continue to explore Proxima Centauri b and study the light signals detected by the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists are also considering future missions. The James Webb Space Telescope is an invaluable instrument, yet it is not without its constraints. The James Webb Space Telescope is currently limited in its ability to observe a number of planets in our galactic neighborhood, as well as to detect certain types of light due to the technological constraints of the present era. However, new telescopes are forthcoming that will be even more powerful and capable of detecting faint signals from distant planets. The extremely large telescope, scheduled to commence operations in 2028, will offer an unparalleled level of detail, enabling scientists to study the atmospheres of exoplanets like Proxima Centauri b and search for signs of life. Nevertheless, as we contemplate the future, the discovery of the lights on Proxima Centauri b serves as a reminder that we are still at the very beginning of our journey to understand the universe. With each new discovery, the number of unanswered questions increases, and with each new piece of data, we gain greater insight into our place in the cosmos. Is the most significant discovery in human history imminent? It is possible that we are on the verge of establishing communication with an extraterrestrial civilization. Only time will reveal the answer. One thing, however, is certain. The universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we could ever have imagined. What are your thoughts on this matter? Could the lights on Proxima Centauri b really be the signs of an advanced alien civilization? Or is there another, more mundane explanation for what the James Webb Space Telescope has observed? Whatever the answer, the search for extraterrestrial life continues, and with each new discovery, we come one step closer to